So this is the first vending machine I've bought. It's a Dixie Narco 276E. I was having a hard time trying to figure out how to set the price, so I thought I'd make a quick video for our records, but also in case anyone else has one of these. So the first selection on here for the Dr. Pepper, you hit it. I've got it currently configured for 5 cents. The way you change that, once you open up the machine here, my programming's right down here. You push this blue button. Once you've done that, the screen will look like this. Hold in the top 2 selections. Switch to SP. Hold in this top one. As long as you want it to go up, it starts going up. You need it to go down, pause it, push it again. It'll start going in the other direction. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks.